In the bustling world beneath our feet, ants embody a unique philosophy of persistence. These tiny creatures, often overlooked, serve as a remarkable reminder of the strength found in teamwork and an unwavering commitment to their goals. Observing an ant colony reveals relentless activity. Individuals tirelessly transport food, build their nests, and care for their young, unwavering in their pursuit of communal success. Like clockwork, they work methodically, never pausing to question the feasibility of their tasks. This behavior is an impressive metaphor for human ambition and the challenges we face in life. Persistence in its purest form is not mere stubbornness, it is an intelligent strategy. Ants have mastered this principle by working in unison towards a common objective, one that may seem daunting to the untrained eye. They tackle enormous problems, negotiating obstacles that can dwarf them many times over. Whether it's navigating a complex terrain or transporting food several times their body weight, they demonstrate that the path to achieving the impossible often lies in continuous effort rather than transient doubts. They remind us that great achievements require undeterred focus and a deep belief in collective potential. Moreover, the endurance of ants teaches us about adaptation and innovation. When faced with unexpected challenges such as sudden rain or a food source blockade, ants do not retreat. Instead, they reinforce their efforts, modifying their strategies and using creativity to overcome obstacles. This adaptability showcases that persistence is not about mindlessly pushing forward, but involves critically evaluating the situation and finding new pathways to success. Each setback is viewed not as a failure, but as an opportunity to learn and grow, an essential lesson for our own endeavors. In a world filled with distractions, it can be easy for humans to waver in their aspirations. The journey toward achieving dreams can often feel insurmountable, but the sheer determination of ants serves as powerful motivation. As they toil away without question or complaint, we are invited to embrace a similar attitude toward our goals. It's this unwavering spirit of pushing through barriers that ultimately leads to accomplishment. Every dream, no matter how impossible it seems, can be achieved with time, patience, and above all, persistence. So the next time you spot an ant, take a moment to reflect on this remarkable creature's dedication to its purpose. Let it inspire you to cultivate your own persistence, reminding you that the road to greatness is paved with little efforts, repeated day by day. The strength of persistence is within all of us. We simply need to harness it.